Is Sallie Scholarship really worth your time, or is it just another digital detour in the exhausting journey of finding real financial aid? Sallie Mae advertises a free scholarship search tool that supposedly connects students to over 6 million. Scholarships worth more than $30 billion. It sounds incredible on the surface. But once you dive in, the reality feels much different. While the tool is technically legit and does compile a large database, many users quickly realize that it often serves more as a gateway into Sallie Mae's broader ecosystem of student loans and marketing funnels. After signing up, countless students report being bombarded with promotional emails, loan offers, and financial products rather than meaningful scholarship opportunities. And even though the platform makes it easy to apply to multiple scholarships, users frequently share that they rarely, if ever, hear back about the results. It starts to feel less like a real scholarship opportunity and more like you're just entering your information into a system that benefits from collecting data and upselling services. Some of the listings appear outdated or hyper-competitive, making the chances of success incredibly slim. Compared to more curated platforms like Going Merry, or even just seeking recommendations from your school's financial aid office, Sallie Mae's tool often comes off as bloated and impersonal. So, is it legit? Yes, in the sense that it isn't a scam, but legit doesn't always mean effective. If you're serious about securing funding for your education, you might want to focus your energy elsewhere.